Hello everyone, I just want to make a quick video about Boxed Glam. That's how the brand looks like, Boxed Glam. And it's of like a makeup monthly subscription of makeup. They send you all of this makeup for $198. Now that is crazy affordable. Okay, these are the list of makeup. Now my baby's crying. And $198 for all this. And if you resell it, you can make $533 or more, depending on how much you sell them for. I'm gonna make big gift baskets and hopefully sell them for more. Hold on, Papa, make a video. Okay, so they make all this mascara, eyeshadow, lip glosses. These are gloss, matte, shimmer, metallic. Okay, so lipsticks, other than that, lip glosses, eyebrow kit, and all of that. Okay. And the baby's crying, so I'm just gonna show you what's all here. Okay, okay. I'm going. Tease. Okay, so all this, 188. Resell it, make more. Okay, business, makeup, whatever. What happened? What happened?